Alright, so do you want to factory reset your Windows PC or laptop, but you forgot the Windows login password and you're completely logged out of your laptop? Then don't worry, you really don't need the password to factory reset your Windows device. And today in this video, I will be showing you the practical way to reset a Windows 10 or 11 device without logging in. And even I will show you the important setting you need to choose during the reset, so you don't accidentally keep the personal file when you actually want a complete fresh Windows installation. Alright, so let's move with the method number 1. And as of now, you can see I'm also on a laptop, Windows 11 laptop. I don't remember the login password and I have to reset it. So in order to access the reset PC option, what you will have to do from the login page only, first from your keyboard, you will have to press and hold the shift key. Press it, hold it, and while holding, you will have to click on the power icon that is on the right hand corner. Click restart and then click on restart anyway. Once restarted, now you can leave the shift key and the computer will now be starting up in the advanced options. So just wait for a while and very soon you will be getting this kind of blue screen that says choose an option. So click on troubleshoot. And in the troubleshoot, you will be getting this option, reset this PC. Click on it. And once you click on it, it gives you two different options, keep my file, remove everything. So if you want to factory reset everything, you want to clean each and everything for a fresh Windows installation, then you can go with remove everything. But if you just want to reset the PC without deleting your data, just you want to remove the application and setting, then you can go with the first option. So pick whichever option you want. Next, it will ask you want to go with the cloud download or the local reinstall. So the cloud download a fresh Windows copy from the internet, and the local reinstall uses the file already on your laptop. So if you feel that your Windows is not working properly, your Windows has been corrupted, then in that scenario, you can go with the cloud download because that will be downloading the fresh copy of Windows from the internet and then it will be resetting your device. But if you feel that no, there is no problem with the current Windows ISO, then you can go with the local reinstall. This will be also taking the less time. Alright, so you can pick any of this option depending on your requirement. And then finally, it will give you, are you ready to reset this device? It will give you all the detail. So you can click on reset and the process of resetting will be started. So this was the first method that basically worked for majority of the people. And I believe that this will be surely working for you as well. But there can be problems with few of the users whose laptop drive is protected with the BitLocker device encryption. So Windows may ask you for the BitLocker recovery key when accessing certain recovery options. So if you also have enabled the BitLocker and before accessing these advanced options, if you get that BitLocker recovery key page, and if your main goal is to simply erase the machine and reinstall the Windows, a clean installation may still be possible, but existing encrypted data cannot be recovered without the appropriate recovery credential. So if you get the BitLocker recovery page or the first option doesn't work for you, then you will have to go with the second option where you will need the Windows bootable USB. I've already created a video that how you have to create a Windows 10 or Windows 11 bootable USB. You can check that video. Once you have created the USB, you will have to connect it. And after connecting it, you will have to restart this device with this bootable USB. So restart the computer. Press the F2 key or whichever BIOS key is required for your manufacturer. I'm using a Lenovo Log, so I will use the F2 key. And it will bring up this kind of page asking the boot device. So below in the second number, I can see the EFI USB device. That is my SanDisk USB. So I will bring that to the top. Then click on exit, save and exit. And the computer will now be booting up with my Windows 11 bootable USB. So here basically instead of resetting, you are going to install the fresh Windows. And doing a factory reset or doing a fresh installation of Windows are almost same thing. But this fresh installation using the bootable USB will also work if your drive has been encrypted with the BitLocker. Alright, so you can choose the language settings, click on next, choose the keyboard layout. Then it will ask you setup options, so you can keep install Windows 11, check the box, click on next, accept the terms. Then it will show you the partition page asking you which location you want to install Windows 11, and it will even list you all kind of drive. So either you can overwrite the operating system in the same drive, but if you want a fresh installation, this is the best way. That if you have taken all the data backup, then go ahead and delete all the partition here. And just make sure you don't delete this Windows 11 partition that is basically for your bootable USB. Apart of that, I will be deleting each and everything so that I can go with the fresh installation. Now be cautious, doing so will be deleting all the data inside your device. Once selected, now you can go and follow the installation steps, and after that the Windows will be finally installed. That's all guys for today, and hopefully these two methods will surely help you to know how to factory reset or do a fresh installation when you are logged out of your PC or the BitLocker screen has been appeared. And if you found the information valuable, please make sure you hit the like, subscribe, and I see you in the next video. Bye bye.